All right, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you 2 ways to make the roses, out of this gourmet meat. So if you wonder where to get this from, we get this meat from Costco's, pretty good, reasonable price. I think around $10, probably between 10 and 12. But these are real simple and easy, so I'm just getting right into how to make these roses. So the common way you see a lot of people make them is this way. All right, and next thing you want to do is fold it. Fold them. All right, so if you can slide it around, got it moving, and roll it. That's how you do it. Now, one way to make it elevated to look nice, like this already looks nice. If you want to add, like some, toothpicks to hold it together, you can. But this is another way where you make the petals. You just sit it in the middle. See, it looks pretty good. What you think, you guys? Now, I do really like this rose. Now, you can make them bigger. It's up to you. It just depends. Now they do come apart, so that's why I say get, a toothpick. One way to, keep them together, like I said, is to use a toothpick so far. But, once you, put it up against something, it already stays together, and then when you put it in the refrigerator, if you do it ahead of time, it gets cold and it gets, it sticks to that form. So there it is. Now I'm gonna show you another method of how. This is normally a common way to do it. Now you can add more to it on the ends and stuff like that. Like I said, you can add, you can bend them, if you want to. Just to give it a little flair, a little pop. You can bend it on the ends if you like. I mean, you guys get the point. All right, so the next one. Move this one to the side. And this one I found pretty easy. I like it, it works pretty well. Now, if you got a shot glass, hey, hopefully all you guys have a shot glass. I know I have one. So many drinkers out there. Now, what you do is fold this on the lip of the shot glass and go around. Go around and just keep doing this, adding them on, just wrapping them over. Go around. Probably do this put about 8 of them on there. Tuck them in tightly. All right. Now you gotta do is just slap them on. Now, isn't that amazing? Now, I like this method because it already gives it a little curl on each side, of a rose look. If you want to add, like I said, to the sides, you can, to make it, kind of elevate the style of the look of it. Now, it can't come apart. I'll just let you know, you see what just happened. But I'm saying, if you didn't do what I just did, it will be fine. But just add it to the sides. But I like that method better, even though it came apart with mine, So I'm gonna show you one more time how to do this one, because it fell apart on me. Show you how to make it a little bit tighter. There you go. Now making it tighter, you move them closer together. And just keep layering them around, lapping them over the seam. Squeeze the sides. There you go. And so on and so forth. So like I said, turn it upside down, and there you go. You have your rolls. So, and like I said, instead of moving them around, just add them to the sides. Now that's just these two methods of making a rose. Now I'm gonna show you also too another way. There's a nice look for your gourmet meats, you know, in a different way. That you can do a wave. You know, some people, you know, you can do a wave, and I'm gonna push these to the side. And I'll show you how to do it. So a wave is just fold, like this. Fold, put them intertwined to each other. See, so it's like it looks like a little wave. And you just keep doing it. Fold. Now you can do a few of them, you know, ahead of time before you put them together. Fold. Fold. Now, put them in between each other. Now these are really nice, you know, easy to put together, easier than doing the roses. The roses are just as easy. Like I said, this is one way you can, like I said, elevate the style and the look of your meat. Instead of just slapping it on the board, you know what I'm saying? You want to have a little pop of look and color and stuff like that. You know, and there it goes. Now if you want to, you can stick a skewer in there, but I mean, you see it sticks up. Normally if you put it against some cheese or something like that, you know, works out great. So I'm gonna show you one more method on how to elevate your meat. All right, so I'm gonna show you one last way to elevate your meats. So this is some provolone cheese, rounded. It's pretty good. And this is some dried salami. You know, pretty simple and easy. You know, try to get them almost about the same, you know, roundness of it. So what you want to do is put two out. Yep, two out. Well, just do three. I think that'll work. Let me see. Which how you can measure it, find out, is put the cheese next to it and measure it and see if you get the right size. Because you don't want to use up all your meat, you know. Especially if you, here you go. Add it on right here. And what you're gonna do is just see if you got the right size. Let me see. And then roll it. Yep. You probably see these in the store. You know, so it's pretty good. You know, these are nice size. You can put on your cheese tray. I'm gonna show you one more way to do it. Put the meat side by side. Now, if you wanted to show all meat, what you can do is you can slide the cheese. You can slide the cheese back further, and then roll it like this. If you want just more of the meat to show. And there you go. So I'm gonna show you one more time how to do this. It's pretty simple and easy. Put side by side. Now you probably see this at the store, they probably charge you arm and leg, but if you do it this way, you get more out of it and you're doing it yourself. Roll it up. I need to tighten that one up a little bit much more. Now these are just cheese and this meat is forgiving, so don't worry about it. It ain't gonna tear or nothing like that. So there you go. There you go. So these are the 4 ways to elevate your gourmet meats for your charcuterie board. Thanks for stopping by your Urban Culture Kitchen. I want to do something different. You know what I'm saying? I know the holidays is popping up, so you know I know a lot of charcuterie boards are gonna be popping up for events, parties, and get-togethers. So this is one way to elevate it up. So stay tuned. I'm gonna have more on charcuterie boards. So stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you're not new, thanks for coming on through. I appreciate it. Hey, and do me a big favor. Thumbs up the video and make a comment. All right, see you in the next one.